Yes, so we are setting to move. Let me see what you see. This is we need our farmlands. We need our children. If you are in Abia, come out and join us. Let's go and protest against insecurity in our country. Let's go and fight for our children. Our women, our children are dying. They are killing our children. Anywhere you are in Abia, come out and join us. We are ready to come out and protest. This is a nationwide protest. Abia must not be left out. Our farmlands are surrounded. We need the government to come and secure us. Stand up, join us in this protest. Thank you. We say no to kidnapping. Abia youth are demanding for insecurity. Our lives matter. Our life matter. We say no to insecurity. We say no to kidnapping. We are saying no to kidnapping. Our lives matter. They say no to insecurity. Yes, sir. Ayalele. Ayalele. Ado babuka. Say no to insecurity. Tinubu, bring back our children. Bring back our blessed youth is asking. We are tired. Our blessed youth is asking for our children. Our mothers are bleeding. Yes. Yes, sir. You heard that. We can no longer go to our farms. We can no longer go to our schools. Bring back our children. Bring back our children. Our blessed is demanding for the release of our children. It is time to say no to insecurity. Our children can't go to school anymore. Our little children are being kidnapped in the bush. On daily basis, they are killing our women. So let's say no to insecurity. Come out anywhere you are in Abia State. Let's protest against insecurity. We are not celebrating any democracy. Say no to bad.